Now, today, let's start with chapter number 17, the British rule in India. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the British rule. So, in past, India was rich and prosperous country. So, our con- contact with the outside world dates back to many centuries before Christ. Roman, Greeks, and Arabs have been coming to buy our goods. Cotton and silk textile, handicraft and spices like pepper, cardamom, they were in great demand. And with the rapid growth of civilization, demand for these goods increased greatly. तो क्या हुआ, जो गुड्स की डिमांड थी वेस्ट के साइड पे बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो गई, राइट? सो वी सी कोलंबस एंड वास्को ड गामा, पोर्टुगीज सेलर थे, दैट इज योर कोलंबस. वास्को ड गामा, ही केम. Columbus discovered America in 1494, and the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama, what he did, he discovered a new sea route, जिसे को क्या कहते हैं, केप ऑफ गुड होप. और कब करा था? 1498 में. He landed at Calicut, Kerala, and it is known for its spices. It is said that Vasco da Gama returned to Portugal with cargo of spices and fetched them 50 times the cost of his voyage to India. So Holland, France and Britain, the Portuguese fought with Arab traders and defeated them, and they established trading centers like Calicut, Cochin, Kannauj. What they did, they controlled the entire foreign trade of India in 16th century. The empire they built could not last long, and the traders were cruel, unfair towards the Indian. भाई वो अनफेयर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते थे, बहुत गुस्सा करते थे. And the Portuguese were very rich. Other European countries like Holland, France and Britain, they also developed interest in trading of Indian goods. They came to India and fought among themselves. And the British defeated other European countries, and they become the sole traders. और वो क्या बन गए? Sole traders बन गए. Then we have East India Company. Some rich British formed a company to trade with India in 1600 AD and named East India Company. The company was given exclusive right to trade in the East by Queen Elizabeth, and the company was interested in earning profit. और कंपनी क्या थी? प्रॉफिट अर्न कर रही थी. एंड द कंपनी एस्टेब्लिश्ड अ फैक्ट्री इन दोज डेज. उन फैक्ट्रीज को गोडाउन्स कहते थे, जहाँ पे वो अपने गुड्स को स्टोर करते थे. वैसे फैक्ट्री होती है जहाँ पे गुड्स बनते हैं, वो खाली अपने गुड्स को स्टोर करते थे. द कंपनी एस्टेब्लिश फर्स्ट फैक्ट्री एट सूरत ऑन द वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. और जो मुगल एम्परर थे आपके जहांगीर, परमिटेड कंपनी टू एस्टैब्लिश फैक्ट्री. एंड द कंपनी एडेड Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai as important trading center. Then we have Surajudollah. He became the Nawab of Bengal in 1756. He did not like the British trader building forts and maintaining their armies. उन्होंने क्या कहा कि उन्होंने ऑर्डर करा कि ब्रिटिश को कि वो अपने जितने भी गन्स हैं अपने फोर्ट्स ऑफ कोलकाता पे रिमूव कर दो. द कंपनी रिफ्यूज टू फॉलो द ऑर्डर. और क्या हो गया? बैटल ऑफ प्लासी हुआ 1757 में. और इसमें क्या हुआ? ब्रिटिशर्स ने सुराजुद्दौला को हरा दिया. दिस विक्ट्री पेव्ड द वे टू ब्रिटिश मास्टरी, एंड द कंपनी नाउ बिकम अ मिलिट्री पावर. और जो कंपनी थी वो क्या बन गई? मिलिट्री पावर बन गई. नाउ वी हैव किंग्स एंड नवाब्स ऑफ इंडिया. The British did not conquer the whole India at once. The king and nawab of small kingdom, they were fighting among themselves. और ब्रिटिश फ्रीली यूज डिवाइडिंग रूल, जिन्होंने डिवाइडिंग रूल पॉलिसी का यूज करा किंगडम्स को कैप्चर करने के लिए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ बेटर ट्रेन एंड डिसिप्लिन आर्मी, इन्होंने क्या करा? लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया को कैप्चर कर लिया, राइट? And then Indian peasants were timid by nature. They were under influence of priests, mullah, landlords, moneylenders. They were the worst affected. सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट हुए, right? It gradually spread all over the Bihar. The farmer has no use for this crop, and they were forced to sell it at very low price, right? And the cultivators, they were begging. Cotton and silk cloth. The weavers of cotton and silk cloth, they were forced to sell their product at lower prices. आप कम prices पे बेको, खाली किसको? ब्रिटिशर्स को. And the Indian farmers and traders were unhappy with British, and slowly जो इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज थी, क्राफ्ट्स थे, वो क्या हो गए? बंद हो गए, राइट? ब्रिटिश मेड इंडिया अ कंज्यूमर ऑफ ब्रिटिश गुड्स एंड रिच सप्लायर. द कंपनी ऑफिशियल व्हाट दे डिड, दे स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग इमेंस वेल्थ and extracted money from Indian rural merchants and landlords, and they earned huge profit made from trade. So all this made the Indian kings, nawabs, farmers, weavers, traders, and others unhappy with the British and their Raj. Then happened a Sepoy mutiny. Sepoy mutiny होती है. The year 1857, It is an important year in the history. It was the time when the attempt was made by the Indians to liberate themselves from the British rule, right? And Mangal Pandey and Gir Sepoy fired the first shot of this revolt, and the bullet he fired on March 29, 1857. The first spark of revolt started Meerut near Delhi. The revolt spread over large part of northern and central India. Bahadur Shah, last Mughal emperor, other section of Indian society also joined the struggle. Nana Sahib, Liaquat Ali Khan, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi, and your Hazrat Mahal of Awadh were prominent among them, and the sacrifice of Rani of Jhansi is well known. Then, what are the effects? Effects क्या रहे revolt के? The revolt shook out the foundation of company rule. Indians who had many leaders were not well organized. British with well organized army suppressed the revolt with a heavy hands, and thousands of people they were taken into custody and killed. बहादुर सफर जो थे उनको रंगून भेज दिया गया, बुरमा जिसे हम कहते हैं, and the people of India had to suffer great cruelties, and revolt of 1857 brought to the end the East India Company. It was over the British government. It appointed Governor General, जिसको हम Viceroy of India कहते हैं, and the new rulers also harassed and suppressed. However, the revolt of 1857 created an urge in the minds of Indian people to unite and fight for their freedom. So they prepared for a new struggle against the British government. कि अब हम क्या करेंगे, नया कोई आइडिया प्रिपेयर करेंगे, इससे स्ट्रगल करेंगे, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in next class. Thank you.